Hello everybody. Today from Cambridge O-Level Mathematics Syllabus D, Paper 2, October November 2022, Variant 21, we will solve one question from question number 10. Now see, at first we try to understand this question. Okay, question number 10A. The diagram shows the position of three towns. Here is one town P, another is Q, another is R. Q is on a bearing of 52 degree from P. PQ equals to 11.5 kilometer. QR is 14.6 kilometer, and PR equals to 17.2 kilometer. Calculate the bearing of R from Q. Okay, and okay. At first, we try to understand what is bearing. Okay, and how can we measure these things? You know, see, when you think about bearing is at first starting from north. Starting from north. Second is clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation. Number three, angle we will draw. Angle we will draw where from written. From written. That means if I say that bearing of P from Q, if bearing of P from Q equals is 30 degree, that means at the point of Q, upper side it will be north, bearing of P from Q. That means we have to take the angle at the point of Q, 30 degree. This is P. The bearing of P from Q is 30 degree. That means we have to start from north and clockwise rotation, an angle we will draw at where from written. It's written bearing of P from Q is 30 degrees. So we'll take this angle at the point of Q. Now in our maths, you see, in our maths here, calculate the bearing of R from Q. Here, the bearing of Q is a bearing of 52 degree from P. That means we have to get this angle 52 degree here. So upper side of Q, this is north. At first, we should find out the value of X. We know this is not, that one also not. So X plus 52 degree, both of this addition is 180 degree. It is said to be allied angle. Allied angle. So X equals to 180 degree minus 52 degrees, so it will be 128 degree. After that, we have to find out this angle. This PQR, it's not a right angle triangle. It has three sides. So if you want to find out the angle of PQR, we have to use the cosine rule. So cos angle PQR equals to, we can write PQ square plus QR square minus PR square divided by 2 into PQ into QR. After that, PQ equals to 11.5 square, QR equals to 14.6 square, and PR equals to 17.2 square. Divided by 2 into 11.5 multiply 14.6. 6. After calculation, we'll get here 495733580. So cos angle PQR equals to this. So if we want to find out the angle PQR. So angle PQR equals to cos inverse. This is 495733580. So we'll get here 81.5 degree. Now we want the bearing of R from Q. So remember, bearing of R from Q. So that means we want this angle, bearing of R from Q. So definitely it will be started from north and clockwise rotation. Remember this angle, and that angle, addition is 360 degrees. So if we want to find out the bearing of R from Q, bearing of R from Q equals to, from 360 degree, we have to subtract both of this angle. That means 128 degree plus 81.5 degree. Finally, we get 150.5 degree. So this is the bearing of R from Q. Our A number answer is completed. This is question number A. Now, question number B. A is a point on horizontal ground. A is the point, like this is the point A, horizontal ground. The angle of elevation of the top of a vertical mast. This is a vertical mast. Vertical mast means with horizontal, definitely it's make over the right angle. So this top we indicate this is a T. The base we indicate as a M. This is vertical mast. Vertical mast. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of the vertical mast from A. So here also we observe the from. The angle of elevation of the top of the vertical mast from A is 68 degrees. So angle will be over there. Okay. Correct to the nearest degree. So we have to find out the lower bound of this angle. Lower bound of 68 degree means 68 minus 0.5 degree, that means 67.5 degree. So a lower bound, that means as it is nearest degree, we have to subtract 0.5 degree from 68. This is the lower bound. And lower bound of the distance of the base from the mast. This is 45 degree, 45 meter. So lower bound of this distance equals to 45 meter minus 0.5 meter. That means it will be 44.5 meter. Okay. Now, as they want the lower bound of the height of the mast, so we have adjacent. We should find out oppo. So definitely we can use the tan theta formula. Tan theta, here theta equals to 67.5. This is oppo by adjacent. Oppo is the height. Adjacent is here 44.5. So h equals to 44.5 multiply 10, 67.5. So after multiplication, we will get here 107.4 meter. So this is the answer, 107.4 meter. This is the lower bound of the height of the mast. So I think everybody understand this maths. Okay. If you have any confusion, please inform me. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you.